The base of our project is coming together. The next thing we need to do is attach the cleat pieces to the side pieces. The cleats will be going on the inside of the project at the very top. Our countersunk larger hole will be facing down, and that small little pilot hole will be facing up. Gluing this works best when the project is laying on its side. And we're going to begin by adding a little bit of glue, flipping that over to make sure that the larger countersink hole is facing down. Our smaller pilot holes are facing up. We want to center this left and right, and then add a couple clamps. Now it is essential that the top edge be perfectly flush. And lastly, wipe the glue. These clamps will need to remain on the project for at least 24 hours. And after 24 hours, we can then remove those clamps.